Hello everyone and Assalamualaikum. I was here with an easy breezy Valentine's Day dessert, chocolate strawberry delight. You can whip up these beauties in just few minutes. I made these as a special Valentine's treat for my little ones. You can whip these up as a special dessert for two. Strawberry Delight is usually made with plain biscuits layered with cream and strawberries. As I believe chocolate and strawberries go very well together, I swapped the biscuits with mud cake and made strawberry whipped cream. Here are the 5 ingredients you'll need to make these strawberry chocolate delight. You'll need 1 cup strawberries and you'll need a few more strawberries to decorate on top. 1/4 cup caster sugar, 300 milliliter thickened cream, chocolate mud cake. Quantity really depends on how many layers do you want. To speed things up, you can use store-bought chocolate cake, or if you have some time on your hands, you can make it from scratch. Aside from these 5 ingredients, you'll also need small glass tumblers. I have 2 kinds, but I'm gonna just use the small ones. Here's how to make this special Valentine's dessert. We're gonna start off with making strawberry whipped cream. In a blender or NutriBullet, add strawberries and blend them. Now add cream and sugar and blend for 15 more seconds. This is how your strawberry whipped cream will look like. Next, crumble your chocolate mud cake with a fork. Now we will start layering our dessert. Add 1 layer of cake in all the tumblers. Nearly 2 tablespoons is enough. Then add strawberry whipped cream, 2 to 3 tablespoons. Add another layer of chocolate mud cake. Now add a tablespoon of strawberry whipped cream on top. Once all are done, to make it look more beautiful and presentable, decorate the top with a few slices of strawberries. Now cover it with a cling wrap and let it sit in the refrigerator for 2 to 8 hours. After it has been chilled, it's time to pet your bag, take a pic, serve and enjoy. The best thing about this chocolate strawberry delight is that it's a hit among adults and children alike. It's quick and easy to make and only takes 5 ingredients to wow your significant other. Hit that like button if you like today's 5 ingredients chocolate strawberry delight, and check out more of my strawberry recipes in the description box below. And subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and press that bell icon to get all the updates on what's cooking at Maha's Shack. If you're already a subscriber, then thanks a lot for giving me your precious time. I totally value your likes and comments. Comment down below and let me know if you liked my take on Strawberry Delight or you still prefer the other one. Thanks for watching and bye for now.